transforming foggy headlights full restoration. Okay. First step, grab the lowest grit sandpaper and sand off the crusty stuff. Nice circles. Keep it smooth. So what we do now is, because we basically made a bunch of swirly-whirly scratches on the headlight, we grab our machine and a super fancy sanding pad to smooth it all out. We make it all even nice and smooth, like a jellyfish pancake. And then it starts looking good. Okay, now it's looking nice and smooth. Super even, but kind of foggy, right? That's because we just scraped off all the old oxidation and the crusty clear coat. So yeah, it looks foggier than SpongeBob's driving test, but don't get scared.